I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread. First, ensure you have 3 ripe bananas, about 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, and other basic baking ingredients ready. Begin by mashing your ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth with a few small lumps. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for baking. Now let's prepare our dry and wet mixtures separately. In one bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, combine half a cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently pour the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Lightly grease and flour a 9x 5-inch loaf pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the banana bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your delicious banana bread is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing and serving. It's wonderful warm or at room temperature. For an easier way to keep your kitchen clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.